Welcome back to our channel where the future of e-commerce is explored. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of neuromarketing with a special focus on how e-commerce businesses can decode consumer minds. Get ready to unlock the secrets of consumer behavior and drive sales to new heights. If you're eager to stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of e-commerce, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on valuable insights and strategies. Now let's embark on this eye-opening journey. Have you ever wondered about the intricate mechanisms that drive consumer behavior? How do people make purchasing decisions? What are the hidden influences that shape their choices? In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating realm of consumer psychology and neuromarketing to uncover the secrets of the consumer mind. Join us as we explore the latest research and findings in this field and discover practical strategies that e-commerce businesses can implement to connect with their audience on a deeper level. But before we dive in, remember to hit that like button if you're excited to learn more about decoding consumer minds and stay updated with the latest e-commerce trends. Let's get started. Neuromarketing, a combination of neuroscience and marketing, explores the intricate neural pathways that influence consumer behavior. It delves into the hidden influences that drive purchasing decisions, shedding light on the fascinating ways our brains process marketing stimuli. By understanding these mechanisms, e-commerce businesses can optimize their strategies to resonate more effectively with their target audience. One key aspect of neuromarketing is understanding the role of emotions in decision-making. Our limbic system, the brain's emotional center, plays a crucial role in shaping our preferences and driving our actions. By appealing to the right emotions, e-commerce brands can create lasting connections with consumers. This can be achieved through various methods such as evoking feelings of joy, excitement, or nostalgia through engaging visuals, interactive elements, and personalized experiences. Another crucial element of neuromarketing is understanding the influence of social interactions on consumer behavior. Our brains are wired to respond to social cues and the behavior of others. E-commerce platforms can leverage this by incorporating social proof elements such as customer reviews, ratings, and influencer endorsements into their strategies. By showcasing what others have already purchased or recommended, e-commerce businesses can build trust and credibility, ultimately influencing consumer decisions. Additionally, neuromarketing principles can be applied to website design and user experience. The layout, color scheme, and overall aesthetics of a website can significantly impact how visitors perceive and interact with a brand. By understanding the principles of visual perception and cognitive psychology, e-commerce businesses can create websites that are not only visually appealing but also easy to navigate and optimize for conversions. Furthermore, the use of technologies such as eye-tracking software and facial recognition can provide valuable insights into consumer behavior. By analyzing how people interact with digital marketing materials, e-commerce brands can gain a deeper understanding of what resonates with their audience and make data-driven improvements to their strategies. To truly understand and appeal to your target market, it's essential to conduct thorough market research. By gathering data on your audience's demographics, interests, and online behavior, you can develop a comprehensive profile of your ideal customer. This knowledge will help you tailor your marketing messages and product offerings to their specific needs and preferences. In conclusion, decoding the consumer mind is a powerful tool for e-commerce success. By understanding the principles of e-commerce businesses can create more engaging and effective marketing campaigns, optimize their websites for conversions, and build lasting connections with their target audience. Embrace the insights of consumer psychology and neuromarketing and watch your e-commerce journey flourish. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of decoding the consumer mind. If you found this video insightful, do not forget to show your support by hitting that like button and sharing it with fellow e-commerce enthusiasts. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more valuable content. Together, let's navigate the ever-evolving world of e-commerce and unlock new frontiers of success.